Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what many consider the best plant-based protein powder in vanilla flavor, the Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Plus 50 Superfoods Powder. If you're looking for a clean, powerful, and delicious protein supplement to boost your lifestyle, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive straight into what makes this protein powder stand out. The core of this product is its 21 grams of plant-based protein per serving, derived from organic pea, brown rice, and chia seeds. That blend gives you all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, without relying on any dairy or whey ingredients. It's vegan, gluten-free, and free from soy, artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. No lactose, no added sugars, and completely non-GMO. This protein checks all the boxes for clean nutrition. But it doesn't stop at protein. Each scoop also includes 8 grams of prebiotic fiber and an impressive blend of 50 organic superfoods. We're talking about ingredients like chia, turmeric, kale, flax, broccoli, spinach, quinoa, beet, and acai. These superfoods not only add nutritional variety but also help support your immune system, delivering key vitamins like B6, vitamin C, and iron. So you're getting much more than just a protein supplement, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Taste is where many plant-based powders fall flat, but not this one. Orgain has formulated it to have a delicious and creamy vanilla flavor that mixes smoothly whether you use water, almond milk, oat milk, or your preferred dairy-free option. It doesn't have that gritty texture that plagues many vegan blends. It's also incredibly versatile. You can throw it into a blender for smoothies, stir it into overnight oats, or even bake it into protein-rich cookies and brownies. This makes it a great option not only for athletes but also for busy parents, students, or anyone needing a convenient way to boost protein intake. One of the most compelling aspects of this powder is its clean label. Orgain emphasizes transparency. They use third-party testing to certify that it meets USDA organic and plant-based standards. It's also kosher and free from carrageenan, which is a big plus for people trying to avoid potential gut irritants. Each container includes about 18 to 20 servings, depending on your scoop size, and it's designed to fit seamlessly into a variety of dietary lifestyles. Whether you're keto-friendly, doing intermittent fasting, or just working to eat clean. Whether you're weight training, managing your macros, on a weight loss journey, or simply trying to eat more whole foods, this product supports all those goals. Even if you're not vegan but are trying to cut down on dairy or animal protein, this is a top-tier alternative. To sum it up, the Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Plus 50 Superfoods Powder in Vanilla Bean is more than just a protein supplement. It's a multifunctional, all-in-one, nutrient-dense product that supports your overall wellness, not just your muscles. It delivers great flavor, amazing nutrition, and the kind of ingredient list you can feel good about. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're serious about clean nutrition and want the best plant-based vanilla protein option on the market, Orgain has nailed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews that help you make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.